Hey guys, I'm Shazia here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the Nothing Phone 1 versus iPhone 11 Pro Max speed test. So before we get into the speed test, let's have a quick look on these both phone specs. The Nothing Phone 1 comes with Snapdragon 778G+, and this variant is 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with A13 Bionic chip, and this is a base 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage variant. This Nothing phone is running on latest Android version 12 with Nothing OS version 1.1.7 on top of it. And this iPhone running on latest iOS 16.2. iPhone 11 comes with a notch, and the Nothing Phone 1 has a punch hole camera. On the back, Nothing Phone has these beautiful lights which they call glyph interface, which looks very nice. On the back, Nothing has a dual camera setup, and on the iPhone a triple camera setup. Let's start with unlocking the phones. The Nothing Phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor and the Face ID on the iPhone, and both the phones unlocks at the same time. Okay, so let's start the test with turning off both the phones. The Nothing Phone turned off a little faster than the iPhone. Now let's turn them back on. And wow, both phones turned on at the same time. Okay, so now let's start the test with opening up the apps. Now let's open Facebook, faster on the iPhone. Opening up the Snapchat, both phones open at the same time. Settings, a little faster on the iPhone. Calculator, also a little faster on the iPhone. Opening phone, again on the iPhone. Camera, both phones open at the same time. Opening up the clock, almost same on the both phones. Opening TikTok, faster on the Nothing. Super Mario Run, definitely faster on the iPhone. Let's open PUBG Mobile. iPhone opens a little faster than the Nothing. Opening Instagram, Nothing opens way faster than the iPhone. Now opening up the Subway Surfers. iPhone opens faster than the Nothing. Opening Spotify, both phones opens at the same time. Twitter opens faster on the Nothing. Opening Netflix, almost opens at the same time on both the phones. Okay, so now let's open all the apps from the recent. Facebook, Snapchat, and the apps are not restarting on the Nothing phone. Both phones keeping the background apps. As you can see, all the apps are still running in the background, which helps a lot when you go back to the apps and you can easily continue using the apps where you left, without worrying about the background apps getting restarted. Also, the games are still running in the background. Nothing phone is handling all the recent apps without any problem. So yeah, I would say both phones wins here. The Nothing phone, despite being cheaper than the iPhone, but it's giving tough competition to the iPhone. Both phones loads up the apps quickly, and all the apps are running smoothly in the background. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.